Hello, welcome to Level of Math for All. Today we are going to learn circumference of a circle. If you don't know what is circle, I have recorded a video regarding the circle when we are trying to find a area of a circle. But anyhow, a circle is a simply closed shape in Euclidean geometry. So the formula for circumference is represented as C, and the C is equal to 2 pi r. I will explain in a minute about what do you mean of circumference. So if you look into the circle, as we discussed previously, the radius, that is the half of the length, which is from the center point to any of the touching surface of the circle. And the diameter is going from one end to other end and passing through the center point of the circle. So the thing is 2 times of radius is a diameter, or half of the diameter is nothing but radius. So always remember, radius is a center point to any side of the touching circle, and the diameter is going from any point to any point, in the sense of, like, touching the both the sides of the circle and passing through the midpoint. So here we have pi. We all know pi. If you don't know the pi is a constant value. It's a mathematical constant, and the value is 3.14159. Please remember this value. If you can remember 3.14, that's really good. But if you remember 3.14159, that is going to be excellent. So we talked about the radius, talked about the diameter. Now let's talk about the circumference. What do you mean of a circumference? The circumference is the measure of the region enclosed by the circle boundary. You see, I have highlighted the circle in a different color. The thing is, we are trying to find overall length of the circle's outer boundary, or we want to see the circle is within the enclosed boundary of a circle. So the thing is, what is that enclosed boundary? That is where we have to figure it out. That is called circumference. If you don't understand what is the circumference, once again, the circumference of a circle is the measure of the region enclosed by the boundary. Okay, so now the formula is C equal to 2 pi r. 2 times pi times of r is nothing but radius. Before getting into further and solving some problems and finding circumference of a circle, please like, share, and comment, and click on the bell icon for the latest updates from Level Up Math for All. Thank you. Okay, let's revisit the pictorial representation of circumference, circle, radius, and the definition of the circumference. As I mentioned, the circumference that is represented as a C of a circle is measured of the region enclosed by the circle boundary. So here is the radius. Once again, we have seen that. And R represents the length of the radius of the circle. Once again, the definition of R is here. And the pi is a mathematical constant, approximately that equals to 3.14159. The circumference formula of the circle is C equal to 2 pi r. Let's try to find a circumference of a circle. Here, a sample problem. Find the circumference of a circle with a radius of 10 meters. What we got is, we got a radius of a 10 meters circle, and we need to find the circumference. That is the full outer coverage of the circle. Now the radius is 10 meters. As we mentioned, the radius goes from midpoint to any of the edge. Given radius is r, that is 10 meters, we know an pi value, that is 3.14159. The circumference formula is C equal to 2 pi r. Let's substitute the given radius and the pi value in this formula. So the formula is 2 pi r, and 2 times 3.14159 times 10. Let's bring the 10 from over to here, so that's easy for us to multiply first 2 times 10. So the 2 times 10 is 20. 20 times 3.14159. That is nothing but 62.8318. So the circumference of the circle is approximately 62.8318 meters. Remember, when it comes to circumference, if the radius is given in meters, the circumference also counted in meters. If it is in centimeters, it will be in centimeters. So in area, we generally do meters to square meters, centimeters to square centimeters. But in circumference, meters always represented as a meters, centimeters represented as a centimeters. Please remember this. Okay, it's your turn. You have to solve one problem on behalf of me so that you will be expert. Okay. Always take a pen and paper, as I mentioned, always take a pen and paper, put it in a graphical representation so that you know what exactly you're trying to solve and your answer will be more accurate. So you don't need to worry about whether you are doing right or wrong. Thing is, always put the pictorial image in your brain. That will help you to solve these problems, that especially the 2D problems, very easily. So you don't need to by heart the formulas and all these things. You just remember the picture, you just remember the radius, you just remember the diameter, and you just remember the outer side of the circle. That's much easier. So the thing is, here you have to find a circumference of a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters. I wish you can go and solve this one. It's going to be pretty easy. As I mentioned, this radius is in centimeters, your answer should be in centimeters. If radius is in meters, your answer should be in meters when you are trying to solve a circumference. Please subscribe Level Up Math for All, like it, post the comment, click on the bell icon for future videos. Thank you.